Do you want to hear more of the story? Yeah! Great!
Me.
Oh, and Julia here. I'm sorry. Is that fun, Julia? Let's see where we left off. Let's see. Here it is. Back at the castle.
No. Well.
Cousin sister Iris was looking for her brother.
There.
Guys! She was really worried about her brother.
There.
About her brother. Because there's no sign of her. Guys! Guys!
There.
Tyler!
There.
Do you see him yet? No.
No.
No sign of him. And I checked his room. He's not there. There.
Here.
Diane, any luck? No. I haven't seen that.
Wait.
Neither did I.
9. Hey.
Where is he?
Me.
Pippi's missing him too. Hey, what is this, Shop?
What are you doing?
Hey, look! That looks like that. Hey! Clinton! It's a witch!
Head.
And look! The slippery stuff. And look. And my magic bag. Right from my room. I have like the shadow Nate. What? I use these.
These.
Unless cheated! Jasper is telling the truth!
Oh. Well.
Oh, Shadow 9!
Oh. Hey here. Here's my new golden shield.
Oh,
That I won.
what? What? You cheated and tricked us!
That's
You make a believe that my brother cheated!
good. Ha! I guess you're right. Eight.
So you were cheating this whole time?
That's the right.
Alright,
Eight. I guess Gus is no longer the night. Well, he's too itsy bitsy. And guess what?
what?
He ran away from home.
What?
Hmm.
Why would you do that?
Yeah. Because I have you fooled to believe that he cheated. And
You tricked him!
that's right. And now I send him, and me and my night-nights send him someplace far, far far away from this world. And now, I'm the Shadow Knight, and the greatest knight ever! Ha! Oh. Oh.
No! Oh.
No.
What are you wanting? Come on!
Oh, no, you don't. Oh. No. We will do that, Charlie.
Hey! Don't keep my trap!
Ha! Now you can't find Gus now. Gus is gone forever. Ha ha. Ha 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 ha.
No!
Oh.
We'll find a way out. Oh. You go get your parents. Parents.
Men's. Friends.
Mom, Dad.
What is it? Idus. What is it?
Is it?
Where's your brother?
The Shadow Knight tricked us.
What?
He cheated. And now Gus is gone. Not forever.
What?
But I'm worried about him. I should have never yelled at him. At him.
I guess we didn't listen to Gus either.
But don't give up hope, sweetheart. We'll find him. Him? Iris was worried about her brother, but our Sesame Street friends are with him. And by the way, helping him find his Grandpa Merlin with the help of his friend and a troll named Rosie. Girl named Rosie.
So, we're going to the swamp. Look, Gus.
Are you sure about this?
We're talking about a troll here. Yeah.
I'm sure, guys. And I'm pretty sure my friend Rosie will help us find my Grandpa Merlin.
Then, yes, that's wrong. What could happen in the swamp, by the way? Wait. Yep. Hey. Wait. So,
Gus, what made you think you gave up and ran away from home? Everybody, my family and friends, don't believe me about the sound they cheated. I cheated. That's why I gave up being a knight. I thought I'll never return in my dream. Well, but Gus, you can't give up on your dream. Yeah. You know?
no.
Oh, I have tough time learning how to do magic for the first time. You too, Abby? Yeah.
No.
And you know what?
What?
I didn't give up. My mommy told me.
Me.
A practice goes a long way. Really, Abby? Really?
Me.
Oh, see? Oh, no. Mommy says that
Right. Hey, everybody! Look, there's the swamp.
Where, Big Bird?
There. Yeah. Ugh! This place stinks around here. And here. Here. Now that you mention that, Bert. Right. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Sure? Your Grandpa Merlin?
That is there, Gus? I'm sure, Grover. We just have to find him.
Them. Him.
What?
Well.
Where?
Ugh. No.
Huh?
Me. No. Hey.
What?
Huh? What the matter? What is it, Big Bird? Something bumped of me. Me. Really? Who? Oh. Well, maybe it was that troll girl.
That's my friend Rosie. Rosie. Gus. Oh, hi, Gus. Hi, Rosie.
Oh, so you're Rosie.
Whoa. Gus, that's the big yellow guy. Oh, this is Big Bird. This is